Yes, my dear students. Yes, my dear students.
Yes, sir.
Voice వినపడుతుందా? Yes, వాయిస్ వినపడుతుందా?
Yes, sir. వినపడుతుంది సార్.
హలో,
వినపడుతుంది సార్. వినపడుతుంది సార్.
ఓకే.
వినపడుతుంది సార్.
Join the all students. Mukesh,
సార్
joining. రే మన వాళ్ళందరూ జాయిన్ అవుతున్నారు లేదా? ముఖేష్,
సార్ అవును సార్.
ఎస్. స్క్రీన్ మీద కనపడుతుందా మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్?
కనపడుతుంది సార్.
ప్రెజెంటేషన్ పాలిమర్స్ కనపడుతుందా?
కనపడుతుంది సార్.
ఓకే ఓకే. హౌ మెనీ మెంబర్స్ జాయిన్? Is only few members joined in this class. Remaining balance of students? Gopi, Mukesh, Jagadish.
సార్ నేనున్నా.
Mukesh
Mukesh
is
ఉన్నా
present. Okay, okay. Yes. How are you, my dear students?
ఫైన్ సార్.
Very good, very good. Yes, today we'll be started the class to yes. Generally, is the first sem is a postponed of examination, and second sem started these classes. So today will be started the polymer chemistry. There is a third unit. Already first and second, fourth and fifth units are recording of videos. But the next time will be update the UDS. But today will be present the online class of polymers. Yes, my dear students, listening my words. Yes.
ఎస్ సార్.
Yes, yes. Yes. Yes, start the class. Okay. Anna, Mukesh, ఎంతమంది జాయిన్ అయినా నాన్న?
ఒక 8 మెంబర్స్ జాయిన్.
8 members. Only 8 members. Okay, okay, no problem at all. You start the class. Is there every people? Every people polymers. Today, every people depend upon the polymers. Is a polymers just like as an home made materials. Polymers, every people is mostly depend upon the polymers. So for example, home made materials, mugs, tables, carts, and bowls, etc., etc., is a home-made materials, and is today will be any motor vehicles are using by the polymers. Polymers need in a country also. World of the people's must and should using by the polymers materials, just like as an is a bathroom materials and home-made materials, etc., etc. What's the polymers? Is a polymers. Polymers means is a every person depend upon the polymers. What is a polymer? First one is the polymer word derived from the two Greek words. Poly, many, mers, units or parts. That is called a polymer. Polymer words is not an English word. Is a Greek word. Polymers word is derived from the two Greek words. One is the poly, many, mers, parts are units. That is called a polymers. Polymer, define the polymers. Is a polymers is a macro heavy compound. Heavy compound. Just like as in a defined as a polymers, a large small molecules combination to form a big molecule is called a polymers. Once again the polymer definition. This is defined of the polymers is a large number of small molecules combination to form a big molecule is called a polymer. Example of the and next monomers. The repeating units in the polymer chain is called monomers. Is important definition of polymers. What is meant by the polymer? The number, a large number of small molecules combination to form a big molecule is called a polymer. At the same time, what is monomers? The repeating units in the polymer chain is called polymers, is called monomers. Is a polymers, example of polymers is a polyvinyl chloride, polystyrene, polyethylene. These are three examples of the polymers. For example, is a polyethylene is a polymer of ethylene. So CH2 example one is CH2 double bond CH2 double bond CH2 and CH2 single bond CH2N. N means number of molecules, number of small molecules combination to form polymer is called a polymer. That is the ethylene monomers, number of ethylene monomers combination to form polyethylene. That is the double bonds is deviation to edges of the carbon, that is called a polyethylene. And another example is a polyethylene is a polymer of ethylene is over. Next, polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride is a polyvinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride formula is just like as C6H5CH double bond CH2. That is the number of styrene molecules combination to form polystyrene. And another example is polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride, vinyl chloride CH2 double bond CHCl is the example of polymers. And another one is the second definition, degree of polymerization is a very important question, 2 marks question. Degree of polymerization. The number of repeating units in a polymer chain is called degree of polymerization. Once again the definition. The number of repeating units in a polymer chain is called degree of polymerization. Once again the definition. The number of repeating units in the polymer chain is called degree of polymerization. And next is a degree of polymerization is classified into two types. One is the high polymers, another one is the oligopolymers. High polymers and oligopolymers. High polymers and oligo. High polymers means the polymers with high degree of polymerization is called high polymers. High polymers is a range 10,000 to 10 lakhs of range. And oligopolymers, the polymers with low degree of polymerization is called oligopolymers. For example, cellulose, proteins, etc. etc. Once again, the degree of polymerization is the important 2 marks question. As a degree of polymerization, the number of repeating units in a polymer chain is called degree of polymerization. Degree of polymerization is classified into two types. One is the high polymer and the second one is the oligopolymers. High polymers, the polymers with high degree of polymerization is called high polymers. High polymers range is 10,000 to 10 lakhs, just like as oligopolymers. Next one is the oligopolymers. The polymers with low degree of polymerization is called oligopolymers. Oligopolymers, just like example, one is the cellulose, another one is the proteins. So that is the degree of polymerization. Understood of the degree of polymerization, my dear students? Hello? Students?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
na?
sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Next one is functionality of monomer. This is the very important question, 4 marks. Functionality of monomers. Functionality of monomers. This is the function of the monomers binding sits or number of repeating sits in present monomers are called a functionality of monomers. This is definition. The number of binding sits or the number of reactivity sits in present monomers are called functionality of monomers. Once again the definition, Nana. The number of bonding sits or the number of reactivity sits in present monomers are called functionality of monomers. Functionality of monomers is monomers must have 2 bonding sits for polymerization process. Every monomer must have 2 bonding sits for polymerization process. This functionality of monomers classified into 3 types. Functionality of monomers classified into 3 types. One is linear or straight chain polymers. Second one is cross-linked 3-dimensional polymers. And third one is branched polymers. How many types of functionality of monomers? 3 types. One is the linear or straight chain polymers. Second one is the cross-linked 3-dimensional polymers. And third one, branched polymers. First one, linear or straight chain polymers, is the definition of linear or straight chain polymers. If the functionality of monomers is 2, that is called a bifunctional. The 2 reactivity groups attached side by side each other is to form linear or straight chain polymers. That is called a linear straight chain polymers. Once again, if the functionality of monomer is 2, that is called a bifunctional. 2 reactivity groups attached side by side each other to form linear or straight chain polymers. See that figure is a monomers. M means monomers. Monomers is a binding by the weak van der Waals forces is easily removed of the bonds. That is the weak van der Waals force to form a linear or straight chain polymers. That is the example: polyvinyl chloride, polystyrene, polyethylene, etc., etc. And second one is the cross-linked 3-dimensional polymers. If the functionality of monomers is 3, that is called a trifunctional monomers. Attached by covalent bonds, then formed cross-linked 3-dimensional polymers. Once again, the cross-linked 3-dimensional polymers. If the functionality of monomers 3, that is called trifunctionality. The trifunctionals of attached by covalent bonds then form cross-linked 3-dimensional polymers. For example, bakelite. Bakelite is the 3-dimensional polymers, is very strong covalent bonds. That polymers, cross-linked polymers join in a covalent bonds, reactivity of covalent bonds. For example, this M means monomers. Every monomer bonding by the 4 sides, that is the covalent bonds, is a very strong bond also. And next one is branched polymers. Branched polymers, the mixture of bifunctional monomers and trifunctional monomers are called branched polymers. Branched polymers means the mixture of bifunctional monomers and trifunctional monomers are called branched polymers. Branched polymers is the main chain is attached by the some branches is called a branched polymers. Once again, the branched polymers, the mixture of bifunctional monomers and trifunctional monomers are called branched polymers. Above above linear straight chain polymers and cross-linked polymers combination to form a branched polymers. Just like as the mixture means bifunctional monomers means linear straight chain polymers. Trifunctional monomers means cross-linked three-dimensional polymers. It's a combination to form branched polymers. Just like as example, this one is the monomer chain. Is a monomer long chain and substituted by the side chains is called a branched polymers. What is meant by the functionality of monomers? The number of bonding sits and the number of reactivity sits in present monomers are called functionality of monomers. Functionality of monomers. Every monomer must have two bonding sits for polymerization process. Is the functionality of monomers classified? How many types, my dear students? How many types? 3 types. Join the students. 3 types. Which are, one is the linear or tight chain polymers, cross-linked three-dimensional polymers, and branched polymers. Okay, Nana? Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? Chappandra, Nana? Okay, na? Definition okay.
Okay, sir.
Screen మీద ప్లేస్ కనపడుతున్నాయా? మెటీరియల్ కనపడుతుందా లేదా?
కనిపిస్తున్నాయి సార్ అయ్యి. మెటీరియల్ చిన్నగా కనిపిస్తుంది సార్.
జూమ్ చేస్తాలే. ఓకే ఓకే. తర్వాత మెటీరియల్ పంపించేస్తాలే మీకు. ఓకే
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాసిఫికేషన్ ఆఫ్ పాలిమర్స్. ఇప్పుడు కనపడుతున్నానా క్లియర్ గా? Polymers, classification of polymers. Polymers are classified into 2 types. Yes, classification of polymers. Polymers classified into 2 types. Natural polymers and synthetic polymers. Natural polymers classified into 2 types. One is the organic polymers and second one is the inorganic polymers. First, inorganic polymers. Inorganic polymers means the backbone of the polymer is made of elements. Elements means without carbon, remaining elements, that is called element. Remaining metals are called elements. Next one, organic polymers. The backbone of the polymers is made of carbon. Only carbon is made of the organic polymers. They totally polymers classified in 2 types, natural polymers and synthetic polymers. Natural polymers 2 types, one inorganic polymers, organic polymers. Inorganic polymers, the backbone of the polymer is made of only elements, and organic polymers, the backbone of the polymers is made of only carbon. That is the formation of organic polymers. Second part, synthetic polymers. Synthetic polymers classified into 3 types. Synthetic polymers are classified into 3 types. One is elemental and organic polymers and inorganic polymers, and other one organic polymers. You see, elemental and organic polymers and inorganic plus organic polymers, one type of polymers, and inorganic polymers and organic polymers. Organic polymers classified into 3 types. Organic polymers classified into 3 types. One is the plastics, rubbers, fibers. Organic polymers classified into 3 types. One is the plastics, second one is the rubbers, third one is the fibers. Plastics is classified into 3 types. Yes, no. Plastics are classified into 2 types. One is thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. First one is the thermoplastics. Example, ethylene, vinyl chloride, styrene, etc. And thermosetting plastics, bakelite. Only bakelite. That is the over. Is it a polymer? Classification of polymers. Polymer are classified is in a natural polymers, synthetic polymers. Natural polymers classified 2 types. One is the inorganic polymers and another one is organic polymers. And second one is synthetic polymer. Synthetic polymers classified into three types: elemental inorganic polymers, and inorganic polymers, and organic polymers. Organic polymers classified into three types: one is plastics, rubbers, fibers. Plastics are classified into two types: thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastics, example, ethylene, vinyl chloride, styrene. And second one is the thermosetting plastics, example, bakelite. That is over. Classification of polymers is over. Next one is the types of polymers. Types of polymers. Types of polymers. Polymers classified into two types of polymers. Two types of polymers. One is the homopolymers. Second one is the hetero or copolymers. Polymers are classified two types. One is the homopolymers and second one is the hetero or copolymers. And one is the homopolymers. Definition of homopolymers. Very important, Nana. Two types of polymers is a 2 marks question. Very important question. Last year is asked 2 question also. That is the types of polymers. There are two types of polymers: homopolymers and hetero or copolymers. Homopolymers means polymers obtained from same type of monomers are called homopolymers. Polymers obtained from same type of monomers are called homopolymers. And same type of, just like as a boys, same girls, that is the same type. That is same type of polymers. And polymers obtained from same type of monomers are called homopolymers. And polyethylene, ethyl chlorides, ethylene, same type of ethylenes, same type of styrenes, same type of vinyl chlorides, etc., etc. For example, polyvinyl chloride, polyethylene, polystyrene, etc., etc. That is the, see that diagram also. This is the example. This polymers obtained from the same type of monomers are called homopolymers. Example, PVC, polyethylene, polystyrene, etc. Second one is hetero or copolymers. Hetero or copolymers. Polymers obtained from different types of monomers are called copolymers. Is a polymers obtained from different types of monomers are called copolymers. Is it different types? One is the ethylene and another one styrene combination to form a polymers, that is called copolymers. Polymers obtained from different types of monomers are called copolymers. That is the, this one is the example. One is the monomer, another one is the different monomer, that is called N, is in a signification of N, and a different monomers, and one type of monomers, and one type of monomers and different type of monomers, that is combination to form polymers is called a copolymers or heteropolymers. అంటే ఒకటి ఇథిలిన్ మాలిక్యూల్ ఉండొచ్చు మోనోమర్స్ అండ్ స్టైరిన్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ ఉండొచ్చు ఆ స్టైరిన్ మోనోమర్స్ కాంబినేషన్ హెట్రో కోపాలిమర్స్, దాని వలన రిలీజ్ అయ్యేటువంటి పాలిమర్స్ కోపాలిమర్స్ అంట. అంటే ఈజ్ ఏ ethylene monomers combination of styrene monomers to form a polymer is called a copolymers. And different types of monomers combination to form a polymer, that is called a hetero or copolymers. Okay, Nana? That is the types of polymers. How many types of polymers, my dear students?
Two types.
How many types?
Two types, sir.
Two types. Which are?
Homopolymer, heteropolymer.
Yes, very good. Hetero or copolymers. Okay, Nana? Definitions. So, okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Next one is polymerization reaction. That is important, Nana. Polymerization reaction. Polymerization reaction is a very important question. Polymerization reaction is a very important 10 marks question. So polymerization reaction. What is meant by the polymerization reaction? The chemical reaction by which the monomers are combination to form polymers are called polymerization. Is a definition of polymerization reaction. The first one is the chemical reaction. The chemical reaction by which the monomers are combination to form polymers are called a polymerization reaction. Once again, the definition is the chemical reaction by which monomers are combination to form polymers are called polymerization. The polymerization reaction is classified into two types. Once again, the definition of polymerization reaction. The chemical reaction by which the monomers are combination to form polymers are called a polymerization reaction. Polymerization reaction classified into three types. Polymerization reaction classified into three types. One is the additional polymerization or chain polymerization. Additional polymerization or chain polymerization. Second one is the condensation polymerization or stepwise polymerization. And third one, copolymerization or graft polymerization. The first one is additional polymerization or chain polymerization. Once ask the annual exam question, explain the chain polymerization, not a additional polymerization అని అడిగాడు నాన్న. అంటే అడిషనల్ polymerization or chain polymerization ఏదైనా ఒకటే. సో అది మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకొని ఉండాలి. Additional polymerization. First one, additional polymerization. Explain the additional polymerization. Additional polymerization means additional polymerization is several bifunctional monomers combination to form polymer by additional polymerization without elimination of small molecules or byproducts is called products just like as HCl, H2O, NH3. That is called additional polymerization. Additional polymerization is formed linear or straight chain polymers. Once again, the additional polymerization. Explain it. The additional polymerization is several bifunctional monomers combination to form polymer by additional polymerization without elimination HCl, H2O and NH3 are the byproducts is called additional polymerization. Additional polymerization is formed linear or straight chain polymers. Additional polymerization is formed linear or straight chain polymers. Once again, the definition is additional polymerization is several bifunctional monomers. Bifunctional means double bond is compulsory. That is the bifunctional. Bifunctional monomers combination to form polymer by additional polymerization without elimination of HCl, H2O, NH3 of byproduct is called additional polymerization. Additional polymerization is formed linear or straight chain polymers. For example, three examples చెప్పుకోవచ్చు నాన్న మనం. Three examples. One is the ethylene. What is the ethylene? Ethylene is how to polyethylene, how to preparation of polyethylene. First one, ethylene molecules. Ethylene molecules is a ethylene molecules formula. Any person will be give the answer. Ethylene molecule formula. CH2 double bond CH2. CH2 double bond CH2. N means number of CH2 double bond CH2 molecules combination to form polyethylene. That is the middle bifunctional species. That is the double bond is a deviation to attached ending of the carbons. That is the polyethylene. That N is CH2 single bond CH2 into N. That is the polyethylene. Example, polyethylene. Once see the equation. Okay? Okay, ma? Okay?
Okay, sir.
Students?
Okay.
Okay, na? A equation చూడండి. Ethylene. Number of ethylene molecules. N means number of ethylene molecules. And middle product means a double bond deviation to attached side of the carbons. చూడండి ఆ రెండు కార్బన్స్ కు లైట్ లైన్ వచ్చింది అంటే బాండ్స్ ఫామ్ అవుతూ ఉన్నాయి. దట్ ఈస్ ది మిడిల్ కాంపౌండ్స్. దట్ ఇస్ బైఫంక్షనల్ స్పీసెస్ అంటాం దాన్ని. నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ లో దట్ బాండ్ డబుల్ బాండ్ కంప్లీట్లీ డీవియేషన్ అయ్యి దాని సైడ్ కి అటాచ్ అయి ఉన్నాయి చూడండి బాండ్స్. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఆ ఎన్ మీన్స్ కిందకు వచ్చేసింది అంటే ఒకే ప్రోడక్ట్ గా మారింది. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ పాలీఇథిలిన్. ఓకేనా? ethylene, number of ethylene molecules combination to form a polyethylene. That is the one polymer. That is polyethylene. Next, second example, vinyl chloride. Second example, vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride formula. Vinyl chloride formula just like CH2 double bond CHCl. You know it. CH2 double bond CH. అంటే every monomer compulsory double bond ఉండాలన్న. అప్పుడే దానికి ఈ పొలిమరైజేషన్ రియాక్షన్ లో పాల్గొంటుంది. సో వినైల్ క్లోరైడ్ CH2 డబుల్ బాండ్ CH2 నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ వినైల్ క్లోరైడ్స్ కాంబినేషన్ టు ఫార్మ్ పాలీవినైల్ క్లోరైడ్. సో ఆ డబుల్ బాండ్ డీవియేషన్ అయిపోయి CH2 సింగిల్ బాండ్ CH2 అండ్ అటాచ్డ్ సో మెనీ vinyl chlorides. That is called a polyvinyl chloride. Okay na? Second example is over. And third example, styrene. Styrene formula CH2 C6H5 CH double bond CH2. That is called a styrene. C6H5 means benzene ring. That means CH double bond CH2 attached to it. Number of CH2 double bond CH and benzene is and its number of styrene molecules combination to form polystyrene. That is the third example. This is the polystyrene. Okay, Nana? That is the 3 examples. Minimum 3 examples. Next one. That is the additional polymerization is over. Second one is condensation polymerization, Nana. Condensation polymerization. The condensation polymerization is several same or different monomers. Several same or different monomers combination to form polymer by condensation polymerization with elimination of HCl, H2O or NaH3 byproducts is called a condensation polymerization. Condensation polymerization is formed linear or cross-linked 3-dimensional polymers. That is the difference between additional polymerization and condensation polymerization is small difference. అక్కడ విత్ ఉంటుంది, సేమ్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ అడిషనల్ పాలిమరైజేషన్ లో ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ సేమ్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ మోనోమర్స్ కాంబినేషన్ ఉంటుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ ది వన్స్ అగైన్ ది కండెన్సేషన్ పాలిమరైజేషన్. ఫస్ట్ ది ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ పాలిమర్స్ ఆన్ కండెన్సేషన్. The condensation polymerization is same or different several functional groups combination to form polymers by condensation polymerization reaction to form with elimination of H2O, NaH3, HCl, etc. is called condensation polymerization. Once again the process. Condensation polymerization is same or different several functional groups or monomers combination to form polymer by condensation polymerization reaction to form linear or straight chain polymers with elimination of small molecules or small byproducts just like as HCl, H2O and NaH3. That is the example nylon 66. Nylon 66. That is the very important condensation polymerization number of times given by the main examination. So once concentration of the condensation polymerization. Is a example nylon 66. Nylon 66, how to prepare the nylon 66 is a hexamethylene, see that hexamethylene CH2 taken 6 times means hexamethylene diamine combination of tetramethylene dicarboxylic acid to form nylon 66 with elimination of two H2O molecules. So that is the 2H2O. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ OH group, ఇక్కడ hydrogen, ఆ combination ఆ 2 OH plus H2O. ఇక్కడ కూడా చూడండి, ఇక్కడ H, ఇక్కడ OH, ఈ రెండు combination OH H2O. The 2 H2O molecules with elimination by the remaining product is called nylon 66. Once the is an hexamethylene diamine, this is the NH2, this is the NH2 diamine combination of tetramethylene dicarboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid group is functional group COOH. COOH lo OH group, amino group lo hydrogen combination to form water molecules is eliminated. At the same time, to remaining product called nylon 66. This is the nylon 66 and eliminated N2H2O product. Second example. Polyester. This is the polyester. Polyester means glycol. Ethylene glycol formula. CH2OH. Ethylene glycol is combination of terpothylic acid, just like as an hexamethylene dicarboxylic acid is called a terpothylic acid. Chudu C6H4COH. This is the terpothylic acid combination to form polyester. You see, with elimination of H2O molecules. This one OH combination of H, that is H2O. OH combination of H2O, that is N-1 H2O is removed by the product, that is called a polyester. Second example is polyester. Polyester is how to prepare the polyester is a glycol CH2OH. Glycol is combination of terpothylic acid to form a polyester. That is a two example of condensation polymerization reaction. Okay Nana? Is very important question on condensation polymerization. Akada only elimination of water molecules, this reaction will be eliminated by the water molecules. This is the water molecules. చూడండి ఇక్కడ N2H2O అనేది రిలీజ్ అయింది. Same, that is the condensation polymerization. Next one, copolymerization. Next one is the copolymerization.
అయిపోతే
కోపోలిమరైజేషన్
అయిపోతే పీపీటీ మినిమైజ్ చేసి మైనస్ కొట్టి మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ లీవ్.
Copolymerization. If copolymerization is prepared, copolymerization, just like as a copolymerization is different types of monomers, is must and should different types of monomers combination to form polymers is called copolymerization. Condensation polymerization same or different, but copolymerization is several different monomers combination to form polymers is called copolymerization. Copolymerization, just like example copolymerization 1,3-butadiene and styrene to form butadiene styrene rubber. That is very important. Once again the copolymerization. The copolymerization is different types of monomers combination to form polymers is called a copolymerization. For example, 1,3-butadiene and styrene. 1,3-butadiene is the formula, just like as a lower classes we studied the 1,3-butadiene. Just like CH2 double bond, CH single bond, CH double bond, CH2. That is the 1,3-butadiene. This is the 1,3-butadiene. CH2 double bond, CH single bond, CH double bond, CH2. That is the 1,3-butadiene. Already styrene, you know it. That combination to form butadiene styrene rubber. That is the RB. BSR అనేటువంటిది ఏర్పడుతుంది. That is called a butadiene styrene rubber. Butadiene styrene rubber. That is the BSR. That is very important. Copolymerization. What is meant by the copolymerization? Copolymerization is several different bifunctional monomers combination to form polymers is called a copolymerization. For example, 1,3-butadiene and styrene. That is called styrene rubber or butadiene rubber or styrene rubber. This is the polymerization reactions. So, my dear students, what is meant by the polymerization reaction? The chemical reaction by which monomers combination to form a polymers is called a polymerization reaction. Polymerization reaction, how many types? Students? Mukesh, how many types of polymerization reaction?
3 types, sir.
2 types.
Three types, not 2 types. 3 types, which are axial polymerization, condensation polymerization, and copolymerization. So, axial polymerization law without molecules, without elimination of the molecules, but condensation polymerization law with elimination of molecules, and copolymerization without elimination of molecules. That is the difference of children. Is there a difference of next one? Is a difference of difference between addition and copolymerization, same. So that is the today will be completed of the some syllabus. Tomorrow onwards continue the plastics. That is the continue the plastics tomorrow onwards. Any doubts, Nana? My dear students, any doubts? Any doubts, Nana? Yes, no doubts. First, once we review the how to explain the today class. First, what is meant by the polymers and degree of polymerization. What is the meant by the monomers and classification of polymers, functionality of the monomers, and degree of polymerization and types of polymers and polymerization reactions. And 3 types of polymerization reaction: addition polymerization reaction, condensation polymerization reaction, and copolymerization reaction. Tomorrow onwards started the plastics or resins. It is very important question of plastics and resins. Is a important. It's very small question. Is important question. Tomorrow onwards I will be explained. Okay. Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay. మరి చెప్పండి నాయన, follow up the students, yes or no. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow onwards plastics and resins. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Pratyush. Hey. Huh?
మహేష్